Since I said on this channel that I am learning how to make bread, some of you have been requesting that I make a video. Before I start making my own bread, I want to carry you along with me to the production house. So this is the bakery, and we are going in to go and see all that goes on a normal day. Before I got in, they had already started production. So this is the beginning stage of the production. Over here we have the mixing bowl. So in it is all the ingredients for, I think this bread is butter bread. So they have put all the ingredients together, and we'll be adding the water in bit to get the desired consistency. We commonly see people kneading their dough after mixing, but hey, this is a large production, so no one can do that with a hand. Hence, the need for this machine to stretch it. So after stretching the dough, it will be brought here, and usually with bigger loaves, they are weighed. At this point, the bread is being molded. So guys, this is not an in-depth tutorial of how a particular type of bread is made. I want to show you how it is rather made in larger quantities, so that when I bring you how it is made for, say, a family of 5 or in smaller quantities, you appreciate the difference. Whilst a group is molding, another is also arranging it in the baking cans. So when you lift a loaf, you have to stretch it so that it will fit the can or the tin. So if it happens to be short, you have to stretch it, and if it's long, you have to try to compress it so that it will fit. We are done with the butter bread, so another group will bring it off the table where it was molded to another for it to rise, and to hasten the process of rising, it will be covered with a black sheet or a black polythene mat. As that is going on, another production begins, and this is sugar bread. I've been saying as one group is doing A, another will be doing B. Not that we practice division of labor here, no. We all do the same thing, but at different times. So guys, when it comes to the awawaye or the conjoined ones, we don't weigh, we use our hands and eyes as the scale. So as one is greasing the pans with oil, another is arranging the bread into it in threes. As all that is going on, butter bread are being. So what do? We have to reduce the number working on the other table so that they can attend to the bread. Anyesa ebeshi. So apart from the mixing that is done simultaneously, all others is done concurrently. So as all that I have said is going on, this butter bread is risen enough. So one person is covering it, preparing it for baking. Again, butter bread are being from this side. So what do? we have to stop molding the bread and come to attend to it. Anyasa, we so on days that demand is high, we go for break in groups. Of almost all the bread recipes I have watched on this platform, the dough rises twice. After the first one, it will be deflated, kneaded again before molding for it to rise the second time. But over here, that is done once. So look at the difference. Guys, over here we don't rest too. Work. We don't rest. We rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then production starts. Right now we are molding bread. They are taking some out of the oven. By the time we are done with this one, they will start another production. So that is what we've been up to. One reality is that the smaller ones take time, and because we leave them to attend to other things, they begin rising on the working table. So when that happens, we mold them in bigger sizes, unlike before. Finally, from the oven, the bread is made to rest. It is made to cool down completely before they are bagged. Either than that, if they will sweat and in no time spoil. So, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching from the beginning up to this time. As you have seen, it is not easy. It is not easy to come up with a vlog. The way I am sweating, I am super hot, but I have to do what I have to do because we are in this together. Guys, I want to end the vlog here. I want to say I appreciate your time and effort so much. I appreciate you for being there with me from the beginning up to this time. Until I grace your spirit again, I pray that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me and my household. And I leave with the peace and the mercy of the Most High. Please, say shalom and chop peace. Bye-bye.